This is problem number 4 from section 3.7. In this problem it says find dy over dx. And we can see that we have an equation that does not have y equals, we should say that we have an equation that's not y as a function of x, where y is by itself equal to some expression with x in it. So because we don't have that, we need to use implicit differentiation. So to use implicit differentiation, we're just going to start taking the derivative from left to right. And anytime we run into where we take the derivative of y, we're going to just write dy over dx afterwards. So let's start by doing the derivative of e to the 8x. We've got to use the chain rule, so we have e to the 8x times, because derivative of e to the x, right, stays the same, times the derivative of the inside, which is 8. Derivative of 8x is 8, equals, we know the derivative of sine is cosine, so we can write this as cosine. Remember, we're using the chain rule here, so cosine x plus 3y. And we're going to multiply this times the derivative of the inside. Well, the derivative of the inside is going to be derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 3y is going to be plus 3, because the derivative of 3y is just 3. And this will be dy over dx. So we've taken the derivative here. Now we just need to solve for dy over dx. So we're going to go ahead and combine this together. This is 8e to the 8x equals, let's go ahead and leave this as is. So cosine x plus 3y times 1 plus 3 dy over dx. And let's divide by cosine of x plus 3y on each side. And we're trying to get dy over dx by itself. That's going to give you 8e to the 8x over cosine x plus 3y equals, this cancels, so we have 1 plus 3 dy over dx. Now all I've got to do is I have to subtract the 1 over, so let's put minus 1 on each side, and we get 8e to the 8x minus 1, and this is all over, this little piece is all over cosine x plus 3y. And this minus 1 should be out to the side here. And in fact, I'm going to finish this. So 3 dy over dx. And I'm going to rewrite this over here. Get these trig functions out of the way. And write this as 3 dy over dx equals 8e to the 8x over cosine x plus 3y minus 1. Now all I have to do is divide by 3, and I get dy over dx equals 8e to the 8x over, when I divide by 3, this will just be 3 cosine x plus 3y minus 1/3. So this is the derivative after using implicit differentiation for this function here. So this will give us a slope for any point on this line.